Let's move on to point number 4 regarding if you're being tolerated. Stagnated growth. I know that sounds strange. When you think about it, there was a question asked to say, would you rather have dinner? And I'm going to do a whole little thing. At first, the question was, would you rather have dinner with Jay-Z or 500,000? And most people, would take the 500K. He said, I would take the dinner with Jay-Z. He said, because that little request of what he told me to do with my music took me to another level. We may spend it versus what if we had the conversation with Jay-Z and he said, hey, I'm over here investing in this particular thing. He said, you got about 5 or 10 years before everyone else starts finding out, and you say, hey, listen, I'm about to put money away for 5 or 10 years and so I can be ready for that next opportunity. Reason why I said if an organization doesn't offer the opportunity for personal development or growth within my career as around training and education, and they're scarce, there's really no true clear advancement path.